But yeah, y'all. So we at the Enzo's. I'm finna try that honey hot pizza. Z over here playing with my plate, dropping ish on my plate. Thank you, Z. Alright. See, look, you dropping my toppings. Watch out. So I'm finna go ahead and try this, y'all. Ain't never had it before. I'm gonna try right now. Yeah, she hitting for sure. I ain't even from the top. She gone. Y'all know I don't even eat in front of y'all face. So please forgive me right now. Please forgive me. I'm gonna break bread. You say you want a bigger slice? I don't want y'all looking all at Z mouth. I don't give a damn. Please forgive me, y'all. Ain't never ate in front of y'all face. Other than the first one. Yeah, that's good. I like that. One through 10, y'all, I get at a 8.5. What you give it? She said she give it a 10. I just wish I could taste more honey. That's it. They had some more honey on this bitch, like drenched. Drenched. That should be a 10.
You can request that.
It's over with, y'all. Y'all see me? I'm on my big back activities. This is what y'all don't see behind the camera. Hey, this promo at its finest. That's how cheesy it look. This shit real, man.
I forget I ordered them things.
I get 8 too. Hey, bro. I ain't even that cap. Yeah, I'm gonna way more honey on this next time. I'm gonna put my own honey on this bit. You know, we waste no food around here. Growing up, they always said it's the kids starving in Africa. You make sure your plate clean, cuz. If you don't, you ungrateful motherfucker. Thank you. You talking about that other. Okay. We got more honey on it, y'all. We got more honey on it. Got more honey on it, y'all. I need a little more though, but see that though, that's the most that I've seen so far. Let me go ahead and handle that. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit good as hell, though. Like I told you, I'll still get it 8.5. No, for real, for real. This shit glistening, you hear me? Told y'all I was hungry, and I was on big back activities.
I'm gonna stop. I'm really just gonna stop.
That's the one I was trying to get before I had this one.
Cause I definitely eat them things. They only good when they have.
I ain't gonna lie, they did that thing with this company. I ain't even gonna cap. That's your plate. They did that thing with this company. I ain't even gonna cap. I ain't even had none of the other pizzas, but that one right there, yeah, that bitch hit right there. And I like how I'm recording freely. Ain't nobody bothering me, you know what I'm saying? Talking about no bullshit. It just, yeah. Hell yeah. Friday night vibe. Oh, that is good though, I ain't gonna lie. She talking about, she ordered some dessert. She finna bring that out in a little bit. And I'm finna show y'all what that's hitting on. But yeah, that pizza killed. We got 2 slices left. Once my stomach open up, oh yeah, I think we got these the dessert on the way. She ordered this dessert. Pizza smashed. Pizza killed. Now she done ordered this dessert. It's hot. Is it hot? We finna eat it right away. This shit is...
Come on, Casey. But you gotta dip this bitch hard.
Well, yeah, the icing ain't hot. That's what it look like.
It's hotter.
Yeah, the icing ain't hot. Hey, it's hot though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't even eat sweets like that, y'all. And this the same reason why. Too much motherfucking sugar. But yeah, I was good as hell. But I'm gonna see y'all when we in the car. How's the camera working? I'm on a mission. One day this gonna be an AMG. CLS, you believe that?
63S.
You want to be a NASCAR driver tonight, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all my perspective. No music playing. Just a little song. I'm telling you, please drive like me Daisy right now. That corner was tight. Yeah, y'all know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Just vibe and take y'all on the drive. Y'all know I'll be inside 24/8. See y'all in the next clip. this shit. What the hell they got going? Whole car on the side of the road. Probably need a battery. Let me be a scrapyard company with a tow truck. I'm picking that hoe up. We finna go scrap that. Remember we went to the scrapyard? How much you gave us from the scrap metal? What was it, 5? Nigga went to the scrapyard with brand new shocks and shit. Got $5 out of this shit, y'all. Don't slay yourself like that. Y'all see we in traffic though. My phone finna die. We in traffic. I'm just showing y'all a little content. Just chilling. Nothing crazy. You know, soon I'm gonna show y'all me behind that and that Hemi motherfucker. Z acting like a kid in a candy store. How you feel? That's how you feel tonight?
You don't never let me drive.
That's how you feel tonight?
You should have been in the car and made that down my grandma.
I think that's how she feeling tonight, you know? Smelling rubber. You over here pushing this bitch. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Look, that's that sign. That's that sign.
Hold on.
That's that bitch, stop playing. Tell her, Z, you tripping. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I can't wait. Man, I can't wait. I'm gonna let Z gonna be the only person I let drive the Hemi. She let me drive her car, but she got me never want to drive this bitch again. Y'all see why? This motherfucker crazy, cuz y'all talking about me. I don't want to see nothing at that little stop. You straight.
You can't see till you right there.
All right.
I already got you.
slacking on it. They probably in the east. They gonna come over here about what now? There you go. You right. They was in the cut. They was not playing. Can't miss that. But how they looking look like they wouldn't even paid attention no way. By the time they did, motherfuckers about it them. But I'm glad motherfuckers still be looking. You have fun, but still gotta pay attention. Come on, Scar, you better stop playing. Look at him. You got him over here brake lighting and shit. Look. This motherfucker just wanna go home. But yeah, y'all. See y'all in the crib. Y'all tell Z stop scaring the folks.